Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SiriusXM how to cancel subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your SiriusXM subscription, what you need to do is first head over and open up your settings. Now, once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is tap on your Apple ID name. Now, once you're inside your Apple account, there you'll find the option that says subscriptions right here. Simply tap on that. Now, once you're inside your subscriptions, all you gotta do is scroll through the list and find the SiriusXM subscription, then simply tap on it. And inside you'll find an option that says cancel this subscription, which will be highlighted in red letters. Simply tap on that. Now a prompt box will appear on your screen asking you to confirm your cancellation. Simply tap on confirm to proceed the process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.